Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to recover your disabled Facebook account. So if you cannot log into your Facebook account this way, this is what you have to do. Go to your Chrome app or Chrome browser, or any browser of your choice. So let me use my Chrome. So on your Chrome you're going to type in Facebook recovery, then tap on Facebook recovery account. If can't log in, tap on it. Now you have to scroll down. It says was this helpful? Tap on no, tap on order. Then now you can write your request in a very polite manner. Please help me recover my Facebook. Okay, remember, please help me recover my Facebook. It was disabled unknowingly. Enter your Gmail account that you connect to the Facebook, enter your full name, enter the phone number that is connected to the Facebook, and you can now submit it after entering all these details. So after entering all these details, you submit it. Then in the next 24 hours, Facebook recovery center will help you to get back your Facebook, if it's still possible to get back your Facebook. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.